honey blocks, and welcome back to another video where we're unboxing Sugar and Sloth's monthly box. I'm very excited. I'm hoping to get one of these every single month. So let's just get right into this one, shall we? If you've never heard of Sugar and Sloth before, they are a anxiety / mental health, like advocacy and feel-good vibe shop. They have lots of motivational posters and pins and amazing stationery. So every month they have a little box that every time you open it up, there'll be something new, something different, and there's a different theme every month. Very much like a mystery box. So yeah, let's get right into this one with our handy dandy cami. All right, I'm hoping you guys will be able to see this. So let's open it up. I have already asked someone to open this for me and open all of the stickers and anything that's going to be troublesome for me to open up. So yeah, we're getting a first look, but at the same time, I know that there has been somebody who's been able to open this up for me, so I don't have to fiddle with all of the stickers and stuff. Already, oh my gosh, looking so cute in there. So let's get all this out. Ooh, this is like stuck behind. Ooh, so I did also, there's an option to order a little extra gift, so I think that's what this is. So let's just get this out and we'll get the box out of that cardboard. Here we go. So this is the Tiny Hug Club pin and stationery happy box. This is the first one I've ever ordered, so I'm very excited, guys. Right, let's put the box to one side because I want to see what's in this. What's this all about? Oh wait, is it open at one end? Okay, so we can just slide everything out. That's great. Nothing else in there, Nope, nothing else. Okay, put that to one side. Oh my goodness, look at these postcards. Less overthinking, more tea drinking. I love that. Oh my gosh, your free goodies are here. Oh my goodness. Of course, this is Anita down the bottom who created Sugar and Sloth. And they're very happy for us to tag them in this hashtag Sugar and Sloth so you can see what we got up to. We did their Christmas advent calendar box. If you haven't seen that one, I'll link it somewhere. Oh my goodness! The darkness will fade away soon. Till then, let's appreciate this beautiful moon. And it's a little fox. Oh my gosh, my brain fog is so heavy today. It's a little fox. And he's all orange, just in the starlight. How cute! Oh my gosh. Hurrah, your goodies are here. Thank you so much for your support. Oh my goodness, this is so lovely. It does give a little warning. Make sure to keep your goodies away from children due to small parts or sharp or functional points. Yes, that's because there are going to be some enamel pins in here. They also said the only exceptions are some of our plush toys. Please see labels for guidance. So maybe there's a plush toy? Oh, that would be crazy. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open up this bag, shall we? I love the little sticker. This one is a penguin with a little bear hood. How cute. Oh my gosh, this is thick. Wait, oh my gosh. Is that real? Oh my gosh, is that real? Listen to me. Oh my goodness. I think we just got some crazy goodies. Oh my goodness, this is a little bookmark. It's one of those ones that has a magnetic strip. Oh my gosh, can you see that on the inside there? It says, "Pust, you matter." I'm not going to make the noise because the mic might be a bit odd. But oh my gosh. And it says Rainbow Books and Crystal Magic on the front. This is very Dungeons and Dragons coded, right? With the D20 up the top there. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Then the next thing, we've got to look at this pin. Oh my gosh. So this is like a tin pin if you're American, but these are just regular kind of pins. This is what I associate with badges. It says, "Let me nap, I will exist later." This is very real for me. I don't know if many of you know, but I have a chronic illness, which means that I have to sleep quite a lot. So yeah, this would be lovely. I should put this on my hats. Oh, that's so cute. And I love the backing as well. Wow. The enamel pin. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. It's a little bag bat! Oh my gosh, and it says winging it on it. I love that the winging it is in pink. That's gonna match everything. There's a little bat. He's so chubsy. I love him. Oh my gosh. And I can't believe that's a proper little enamel pin. I love the blue clasps on the back. Oh my gosh. Isn't that so sweet? Oh, amazing. And then this last one, Panda Hugs. Resting helps me do my besting. This is very true. So is this a red panda? And that must be a little frog. Oh, it's a notebook. So it's just plain pages. Oh my gosh, I love notebooks with just plain pages because it means I can do little doodles. Oh my gosh. It's quite thin, so I'll be pretty happy to pop this into my handbag. Oh my gosh, I need notebooks so much when I go out because often I forget words and things, or I forget what I even came out for. So sometimes writing it down in a notebook, it does help. Here we go. Oh my gosh, those gifts. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. They're beautiful. Right, shall we get into the boxy box now? It says on the front, on the sticker, it says, I don't have to be perfect, I just have to be me. And you can see all of these beautiful, oh my gosh, your monthly box of cute has arrived. Oh my gosh, so sweet. I love it. Oh, there's so many rainbows and stuff too. Oh my gosh, can you see these? Look at those. Aren't they so fun? Oh my goodness. Right, so I think I'm going to bend it this way so you guys can see better. Is this correct? Can you see? I hope so. There we go. And that's that sticker again with the penguin and the bear. Oh my gosh. So I do know that the theme of this is the Gothic Panda, which I like Gothic stuff. I know I'm very pink and fluffy, but I do like seeing Gothic stuff. It's a lot of fun. So we have some more like little pieces here. It says, you and me, we're in a club now. And it's welcoming me to the club and saying, you know, how to treat yourself and oh my gosh. So being a Tiny Hug Club member means you get monthly downloads and discounts from Sugar and Sloth. Oh my gosh, I'll have to sign up for that. Oh my gosh, I want to try and get one of these every month. I really do. Goth Panda goes glamping. Oh my gosh! So that's the theme. Oh, this is a little bit of a cheat sheet. We're not going to look at this. It tells you everything that's in there. Okay, let's not do that. And let's rummage instead. So, oh wait! Look! It's a little pin and it says Tiny Hug Club on it. Oh, isn't that so sweet? It's got the little Arnold dinosaur with a little crown. It's like me. That's definitely going on my hat. There's 100% going on my hat. Okay, this one. So this is a little sloth with a froggy on the top. Okay. Oh, this one has an enamel pin. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. Hopefully you can. It says, my emotions are intense. Oh my gosh. 110%. Thank you very much. The glamping panda. Very cute. Oh my gosh, I love that one. It hasn't got any sparkles to it, but I like that it's all like, it's got these tiny little stars on it and a little moon. Kind of makes it look like it could be sparkly. I love that. So the next thing we have is this washi tape, and it has little pandas on it, has little kind of emo-esque motifs. You've got some black lipstick on there, some Diamante perfume, guitar picks. I don't know if you can see this very well, but this is what we have. It's so cute! Oh my gosh, I'll have to use that in my journal. The next one is this card. I wonder... So this is Arnold, the passive-aggressive dinosaur's butt. Okay! That's his butt! Oh my gosh! So these like trading cards, do you get them every time? Because it's like Top Tramps. It has these little numbers on the side here. Likes are staying snug, and special skill is being fluffy. Makes sense. With a shiny on it, oh my goodness, that's so cute. I'll have to keep that to one side, and as I collect the boxes, we'll have to see how that does. I wonder if it's different every time. Okay, The next one is a little sticker. Oh my gosh, the panda. It says, I love spooky stuff on it, and it has a little bat and a cat. I love this. This is so goth emo coded. I love it so much. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, definitely going on my laptop, that one. Oh wow, oh my gosh, a whole colouring book. Goth Panda and Friends, and you've got the campfire and the little bat. Mini manifestation colouring book. Oh wow, I'm allowed to set boundaries without guilt. So these are like affirmations? Affirmations that have colouring? Oh my gosh, I'm holding a crafty club with my friends at the moment, so I feel like this would be fantastic for me to take to the crafty club with everybody. I'm enough exactly as I am right now. Oh wow. These are beautiful! Wow, thank you so much! That's gorgeous! Oh my gosh! Okay, next one. So this is a postcard. So this is a pay it forward postcard. It's a secret. Oh, I see. So you write an anonymous positive message in this section here. You add your little stamp and you send it back to Sugar and Sloth, and they'll send it out to somebody else when they get their box. How cool is that? Wow! Oh my gosh, I will write this. I'm going to write one. That's amazing! And the little snail says, I attract opportunities and resources that support the fulfillment of my dreams. Oh my gosh, I will be doing this. That sounds amazing. Yes, 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 yes. All right, next one. It says, deciding to flourish purely out of spite. Some days it really does be like that, huh? And this is just a regular postcard. Isn't that lovely? That's so cute. But you could probably pop that into a frame or something just to enjoy it. At the bottom here we have, this is a calendar? Oh, it's a calendar for the month. Ah, I wonder if I do like the month after maybe? I don't know. So it's always like one behind. Either way, I don't need a motivational quote. I just need everyone to go away. I should put this on my desk at work. Oh wow, this is beautiful. The most motivational quote you're ever gonna get. That's so cute. Maybe I leave it for October because it's got like the little bats and stuff. Maybe I leave this for October. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, what is this? Goth Panda goes glamping. Make your very own paper craft Goth Panda scene. For full instructions, visit Goth Panda goes glamping. Okay. So, oh, so on the back. Ooh. So it's like a paper craft. Oh, that's cute. So I'm guessing this makes like a little box and you can put these inside so it looks like the scene is happening in real life. Oh my gosh, we should totally try this. Oh my gosh, more things for my crafty club. More things for me to do at my crafty club. Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness. Wow. That was incredible. That was actually a fantastic box. Oh my goodness. I'm not quite sure what to do with myself after that. I think I'm gonna have a little think. I can't remember how much it was, so let me have a little look. Oh my gosh, look at those. Just look at that. Isn't it an incredible haul? There's so much here. Everything that's in this shot is everything that we got in the box and in the mystery surprise. It's incredible. I'm shocked. I'm genuinely shocked. So is it good money for value for money? Yes, absolutely. Not only do I feel that all of this is a beautiful little pick-me-up, but I'm just enjoying all of the different artwork, the different mediums, just awesome stuff. As per usual, Sugar and Sloth just knocking everything out of the park here. It's just incredible stuff. So yes, thank you so much for sending me the box. I mean, I paid for it, but I'm so appreciative that everything inside of this box it's just so lovely and thought out and well planned and stuff. So that always makes me so happy. Yeah, very rare to see that in subscription boxes, that they're always well thought out. So yeah, always very appreciative. Well, thank you all so much for coming today and unboxing this with me. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and we'll see you all again next time. See you soon. Bye bye.